Hi everyone, my name is Samira Gonzalez and this is my week 1 discussion board for MPA 560, Statistical Analysis for Public Administration. Between 2018 and 2021, there were 3 DUI-related fatalities in the city of Glendora, all of which happened on the freeway. Program selection. My agency is going to be the City of Glendora's Police Department. The program I've selected is their DUI checkpoint. The services they provide are public safety by deferring drivers from driving impaired. They have a budget of $84,000, which is a grant that's received from the California Office of Traffic and Safety that is through the National Highway Safety Administration. Usually all of their checkpoints are based off of historical information. So where most recent DUI crashes occurred or arrest occurred is kind of how they define where their DUI checkpoints will be. And their DUI checkpoints normally occur between the hours of 6:30 p.m. to 2:30 a.m. There are a total of 6 dedicated employees at the city who are responsible for running this program. 4 are from the traffic division and 2 are from their engineering department. The engineering department is involved because they help with statistical information and determining why accidents may occur in particular intersections. The number of vehicles that are served throughout or during a DUI checkpoint is roughly 4,200. The city normally plans 24 DUI checkpoints throughout the year. And the reason why I chose this program is because drunk driving impacts everyone every day. This concludes my presentation. Thanks so much for watching.